Hi folks, welcome to 224 Glasgow Street in West Pottsgrove Township, Pottsgrove School District. This property has a ton of old world charm, as you can see right from the beginning with the stained glass windows and the wood ceiling. The home is a solid brick home with lots of charm and lots of natural woodwork, as you can see right from the beginning with the entry door. We have a vestibule area leading into an open hallway. Looks right into the family room with that nice big picture window with the stained glass that we saw. Just an accent decorative fireplace mantle. But what I want to call your attention to as you go through the home is look at all the woodwork throughout. Just really pretty. Just reeks of lots of richness. Going into the formal dining room, accent ceiling, half open staircase. Again, look at the woodwork. It is oil cast iron baseboard heat. But the size is phenomenal, over 1,700 square feet of living space. Just an extra decorative brick wall, built-in corner hutch there. But look at the size of this dining room with the open beam ceiling, double windows. That's just an entry door into the mudroom. That leads to the back. And you don't get this in the newer homes today. The kitchen has electric cook, double sink, great view of the backyard, eat-in area, and we have the mudroom. Mudroom has the wood panel walls as well as the exposed brick. I'm going to take you to the backyard. They just put a newer landing in here, which leads to the shed area, as well as a two-car carport. So you do have off-street parking here. The other nice thing about this property is that it backs to a playground. So you have a playground right on the other side of the alley for your enjoyment. Yeah. They have lots of nice flower beds in front of the home and on the side. The home is approximately $3,900 in taxes and is in move-in condition. While I'm here, I'm just going to take you down to the basement. Plenty of storage. If you're looking for storage, you have it. So we have a room underneath the front porch. Here's your furnace. It is a fuse box electric system. But you do have a workshop area back here as well. And then additional storage in a cubby there, as well as your outside exit. So lots of possibilities can be thought of down here. Obviously, you put some extra cabinets in for storage. Take you through this lovely living room. On the second level, we're actually going to tour 3 bedrooms, and you can see the full bath right in front of me here. So that's the full bath. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 with the bump out. And then the main bedroom, again with the other bump out and stained glass windows. And the main bedroom has built-in closets as well as dresser drawers at the bottom. Lots of character, but it doesn't end yet. We're going to keep going. We're going up to the 3rd level of the property, which really has a tremendous amount of opportunity. This level does not have heat, so it would be ideal for the next owner to maybe put some heat so it could be fully usable space all year long. I hope you enjoyed our tour of 224 Glasgow Street, and I hope you agree that it has a tremendous amount of charm, even the curvature in the plaster on the wall. A very pretty home at an affordable price.